Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Capital One Venture X travel portal. We'll dive into how this platform works, what benefits it offers, and crucial considerations before you book your next trip. This guide will help you make informed decisions, ensuring you get the most value from your Venture X card. We'll cover everything from earning bonus miles to potential limitations, so you can travel smarter. One of the biggest perks is the accelerated earning. You'll earn an impressive 10 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars, and 5 miles per dollar on flights when booking through the portal. This means your travel rewards accumulate much faster. Plus, redeeming your hard-earned miles is straightforward, with each mile consistently valued at 1 cent when applied to travel purchases made on the platform. It's a simple way to boost your travel budget. While the portal offers great earning potential, there are a few things to watch out for. Occasionally, prices for flights or hotels might be slightly higher than booking directly with the airline or hotel. Also, modifying or canceling reservations made through a third-party portal can sometimes be less flexible than direct bookings. It's always wise to compare prices across a few platforms before finalizing your plans to ensure you are getting the best deal. To truly maximize your Venture X travel portal experience, always compare prices with direct booking options. This ensures you're getting the best value, even with the bonus miles. Be sure to carefully review the cancellation and change policies before confirming any reservation, as these can vary. For high-value hotel or rental car bookings, the 10 miles per dollar earning rate can be incredibly rewarding, making the portal a powerful tool in your travel strategy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.